Firewood not catching fire easily? Moisture is usually the sneaky culprit messing with your cozy fire plans. So, first off, always check if your firewood is dry before you even think about lighting up. You can do this by knocking 2 logs together. If it sounds hollow, it's probably dry enough. Keep your wood stacked off the ground and covered but with good airflow, so it doesn't soak up rain or snow. Splitting big logs into smaller pieces helps them dry faster and catch fire better. When building your fire, start with small kindling and paper to get that flame going before adding bigger logs. Avoid using green wood or wood that's been stored outside without protection because that stuff holds way too much moisture. If you're in a pinch, try using a fire starter or some dry twigs to get things moving. Remember, patience is key. Wet wood means you'll be waiting forever and dealing with a smoky, frustrating fire. One of the biggest mistakes with firewood and moisture content is using green wood that hasn't had time to season properly, which makes lighting a fire super hard and smoky. Fix this by buying or storing wood for at least 6 months in a dry spot. Another error is stacking wood directly on the ground or against a wall without airflow, causing moisture buildup. Always use a raised rack or pallet and cover the top only. Lastly, not splitting logs into smaller chunks can keep moisture trapped inside, making them tough to burn. Split your wood into manageable pieces so it dries faster and lights easier. BigHomeProjects.com is great for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who know all about proper firewood storage and outdoor projects. Plus, it helps contractors find real work from homeowners looking for reliable help with their big home tasks.